Hi, this is Amit here. I'm presenting to you the review of the detailing work done on my Alcazar 2024 by H9 Automotive. Hi, this is Amit here. I'm presenting to you the review of the detailing work done on my Alcazar 2024 by H9 Automotive. Recently I got my car and I wanted to get the detailing work done for my Alcazar. After a lot of research I zeroed in on H9 Automotive, which was referred to me by my nephew Shubham, who spoke highly about H9 Automotive. After getting in touch with Sunil, we had lengthy conversations and he explained to me the various processes that they do at H9 Automotive, right from ceramic, graphene, PPF, etc. I finally settled for graphene and I took my car to H9 Automotive on Saturday. Being a car enthusiast myself, I decided to spend the entire day and witness the entire procedure myself. And to my delight, the job was done beautifully by the team of H9, right from the foam wash to the air jet spray, to the surface preparation, the layers of graphene that they applied, and then after curing the final coat, all was done thoroughly and very professionally. I congratulate Team H9 for the beautiful job that they have done on my car, and I highly recommend H9 Automotive to all to get the car detailing work. H9 Automotive is a single stop solution for all your car needs.